हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज का टॉपिक में इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर रूल 4 का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे और लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस का इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट कवर करेंगे। चलिए, इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर रूल 4। If dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y upon m is a function of y only, say f of y, then your integrating factor will be always equal to e raised to f of y dy. Okay? So using this formula, let us solve a couple of sums. पहला sum है solve 2xy square minus y into dx plus x into dy is equal to 0. How do we solve this sum? First you will have to write the functions m and n. m का function क्या दिया है? m is equal to 2xy square minus y. What is the function n, students? And n is equal to x. Okay? The given equation is of the form m dx plus n dy is equal to 0, where m is 2xy square minus y and n is equal to x. After this, you need to find out the value of dou m by dou y. Dou m by dou y क्या होता है? 4xy minus 1 you will be getting. Okay? 2x as it is लिखना है, y square का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? 2y. So 2x into 2y will become 4xy minus the derivative of y क्या होता है? 1. इसी तरह dou n by dou x का वैल्यू निकालना है. x का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? 1. ओके, सो आफ्टर फाइंडिंग आउट द वैल्यूज ऑफ dou m by dou y and dou n by dou x, you need to write the formula for rule 4, which says dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y upon m is equal to what? 1 minus, you will be having 4xy, then plus 1 upon m का function क्या है? 2xy square minus y. So this can further be written as 2 minus 4xy, numerator, और denominator 2xy square minus y as it is लिखिए. Now 2 को बाहर निकालिए. 2 into 1 minus 2xy will be the numerator. And what is the denominator? Denominator से minus y को बाहर निकालेंगे. Minus y को बाहर निकाला है तो क्या आएगा? It can be written as 1 minus 2xy. Okay? So 1 minus 2xy is getting cancelled from the numerator and the denominator. So what is the value which you got? Minus 2 by y. What is it? This is nothing but a function of y. Okay? Now once you know the function of y, you need to find out the integrating factor. What is the formula given for integrating factor? E raised to integral f of y dy. Okay? So this is nothing but e raised to integral minus 2 by y dy. E raised to integral minus 2 by y dy का क्या होता है? It is minus 2 log y. Okay? This can further be written as e raised to log y to the power minus 2. This is nothing but y raised to minus 2. So integrating factor का value क्या आया है? 1 by y square. Okay? इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर का वैल्यू निकालने के बाद डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन के साथ उसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ठीक है? सो व्हाट विल बी द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? Therefore, you will be writing 1 by y square into 2xy square minus y into dx plus 1 by y square into x dy is equal to 0 is an exact equation. Integrating factor solve निकालने के बाद गिवन डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है तो ऑटोमेटिकली इक्वेशन एग्जैक्ट डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन बन जाता है. ओके, सो अभी क्या करना है आपको? नया फंक्शंस m डैश और n डैश लिखना है. सो m डैश क्या है? m डैश इज नथिंग बट 1 by y square into 2xy square minus y. Okay, so what is your n dash? N dash is nothing but x by y square. Okay, so after writing the new functions m dash and n dash, solution लिखना है. What is the formula given for solution? Solution is given by integral m dash dx plus integral n dash dy is equal to c. When you are integrating the function m dash with respect to x, y should be always treated as constant. When you are integrating the new function n dash with respect to y, you have to consider the terms in n dash which are free from x. Okay? So, integration of m dash dx क्या होता है? It is nothing but when you simplify m dash क्या है? 1 by y square into 2x y square minus y. इसको simplify किया तो y square and y square cancel हो जाता है और 2x minus y by y square will give you what? 1 by y into dx. Okay? Plus you will be writing integral 0 dy is equal to z. Okay, integral 0 dy क्यों लिखा है यहाँ पे? n dash if you observe, this function n dash is not free from x, isn't it? x is existing, इसके लिए ये term को consider नहीं करना है, ठीक है? So integration of 2x dx is what, students? 2x square by 2 minus 1 by y constant है. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ 1 dx क्या होता है? x. ओके, इज इक्वल टू c. सो दिस कैन फर्दर बी रिटन एज 2 and 2 is getting cancelled. So x square minus x by y is equal to c लिख सकते हैं. एक और स्टेप अगर आपको लिखना है तो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई एलसीएम ले सकते हैं. So this is nothing but what? X square y minus x is equal to c into y. Okay? This is the required solution. You can write is the required solution. Okay? So integrating factor rule 4 का पहला सम हमने solve किया है. Okay? Let us solve one more example based on this so that the concept will become very clear. Okay? What is the second sum? Let us consider the equation as solve x into e raised to x into dx minus dy plus e raised to x into dx plus y into e raised to y dy is equal to 0. ठीक है? Now we have to express the given equation in terms of m into dx plus n into dy is equal to 0. So, जो भी टर्म्स दिया है उसको ग्रुप करेंगे. ओके, x इंटू ई रेज टू एक्स प्लस ई रेज टू एक्स इंटू डी एक्स प्लस y इंटू ई रेज टू वाई माइनस एक्स इंटू ई रेज टू एक्स इंटू डी वाई इज इक्वल टू 0. ठीक है? जो इक्वेशन दिया है उसको m इंटू डी एक्स प्लस एन इंटू डी वाई के फॉर्म में लिखा है. ओके, इसके बाद क्या करना है? You have to write the functions m and n. By observation, what is m? M is nothing but x e raised to x plus e raised to x, and n is nothing but y e raised to y minus x into e raised to x. After this, you will be finding out the value of dou m by dou y. What is the value of dou m by dou y? First term x into e raised to x, it is treated as constant. Derivative of a constant is 0. प्लस अगेन ई रेज टू एक्स का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? 0. देयरफॉर डो एम बाई डो वाई का वैल्यू आया है 0. ओके, डो एन बाई डो वाई का वैल्यू कैसे निकालेंगे? व्हाट इज डो एन बाई डो वाई? सॉरी, डो एन बाई डो एक्स. स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस करेक्ट दिस. वाई के जगह क्या आना चाहिए? एक्स. ओके, let us write it as dou n upon dou x. What is dou n upon dou x? y into e raised to y constant है तो constant का डेरिवेटिव 0 होता है. माइनस एक्स ई रेज टू एक्स का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? माइनस एक्स इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ ई रेज टू एक्स इज ई रेज टू एक्स. Then you will be having plus e raised to x into the derivative of minus x will give you minus 1. So the answer which you got is minus x e raised to x minus e raised to x. ठीक है? So now write the formula dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y upon denominator is m, which will give you minus x e raised to x minus e raised to x upon the function m is nothing but x e raised to x plus e raised to x. So न्यूमरेटर से माइनस ई रेज टू एक्स को कॉमन ले सकते हैं, इनटू यू विल बी गेटिंग एक्स प्लस वन upon from the denominator you can take out e raised to x. So you will be getting x plus 1. X plus 1 from the numerator and denominator is getting cancelled. E raised to x and minus e raised to x is also getting cancelled. So what is the value which you got? You got the value as minus 1. Okay. So what is this? This is nothing but a function of y. ठीक है. So integrating factor कैसे निकालेंगे? Integrating factor is e raised to integral f of y dy. This is the formula. So e raised to integral f of y का value क्या आया है? minus 1. So it will become minus dy. What is e raised to integral minus dy, students? It is nothing but e raised to minus y you got. This is the integrating factor value. After finding out the integrating factor, what we need to do? We need to multiply the integrating factor to the given differential equation. Okay? So, what will be the next step? Therefore, you will be writing e raised to minus y into x e raised to x plus e raised to x into dx plus e raised to minus y into y e raised to y minus x e raised to x into dy is equal to 0 is an exact equation. Okay, like this you need to write. उसके बाद क्या करना है? नया फंक्शंस m डैश और n डैश को लिखना है. m डैश क्या है? By observation your m dash is e raised to minus y into x e raised to x plus e raised to x. What is your n dash? N dash is nothing but e raised to minus y into y e raised to y minus x e raised to x. Now you will have to write the solution. What is the solution? Solution is given by formula क्या लिखना है यहाँ पे? Integral m dash into dx plus integral n dash into dy is equal to c. Okay. When you are integrating the new function m dash with respect to x, y need to be treated as constant. When you are integrating n dash with respect to y, you are going to consider only the terms in n dash which are free from x. Okay? After this, you will be writing what is m dash? Integral e raised to minus y into x e raised to x plus e raised to x into dx. Now from n dash, what is the term which you are going to take? E raised to minus y into y e raised to y will give you what, students? E raised to minus y plus y is nothing but e raised to 0. E raised to 0 का value 1 होता है, तो इंटीग्रल y dy लिखना है. ओके, सेकेंड टर्म आपको कंसिडर नहीं करना है क्योंकि x is existing here. ओके, is equal to c. So how do we proceed? E raised to minus y constant है, as it is लिखेंगे. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x e raised to x क्या होता है? x e raised to x minus e raised to x. What is integral of e raised to x dx? It is nothing but plus e raised to x. Okay? Plus integration of y dy क्या होता है? y square by 2 which is equal to c. Okay? Minus e raised to x and plus e raised to x is getting cancelled. So you are having x into e raised to x into e raised to minus y. कैसे लिख सकते हैं? x into e raised to x minus y plus y square by 2 is equal to c is the required solution. Okay? So this is the final answer. Okay. Integration of x e raised to x कैसे निकाला है? Integration by parts formula use करके हमको आंसर मिला है x e raised to x minus e raised to x. ओके, सबको पता है इंटीग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स फॉर्मूला है कि नहीं? इंटीग्रल u इंटू वी डी एक्स का फॉर्मूला क्या है? u इंटीग्रल v डी एक्स माइनस इंटीग्रल ऑफ इंटीग्रल v डी एक्स इंटू du by dx. Okay, using this formula we have taken integration of x into e raised to x as x e raised to x minus e raised to x. Okay, so this is about integrating factor rule 4 students. Okay, first 3 rules का lectures भी आप देखिए, then you can go through the lecture of rule 4 so that you can conveniently answer the questions which are going to come in the university. Okay, so next topic शुरू करते हैं, introduction part for linear differential equations. Okay, linear differential equation का definition सीखेंगे और एक एग्जाम्पल के ज़रिए लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन क्या होता है, उसका सॉल्यूशन कैसे निकालना है, हम लोग देखने वाले हैं. ठीक है, व्हाट इज लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस? इन पर्टिकुलर वी आर गोइंग टू solve the problems based on first order and first degree. Okay, okay, so what is how do we know that the equation is linear differential equation? Always, whatever may be the differential equation, always it will be of the form, a differential equation of the form dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q is always called linear differential equation. Okay, so in particular dy by dx plus py is equal to q, you call it as linear differential equation in terms of y. Okay, what are these p and q, students? Here p and q we call it as the functions of x only, or it can be constants. Okay, now once again let me repeat, linear differential equation, how it is going to look like? dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q, we call it as linear differential equation in terms of y. p and q क्या होता है? p and q are nothing but the functions of x only, but sometimes you will be getting constants also. Now after this, once you know that the equation is linear, you need to find out integrating factor. What is the formula given for integrating factor? e raised to integral p dx. integrating factor निकालने के बाद सॉल्यूशन आपको निकालना है. सॉल्यूशन का फॉर्मूला क्या दिया है? सॉल्यूशन इज गिवन बाय, we know that the equation is linear in terms of y, therefore you will be writing y into integrating factor is equal to integral of integrating factor into q into dx plus c. Okay, so integrate y into integrating factor क्या है? y into e raised to integral p dx is equal to integral of e raised to integral p dx into q dx plus c. Okay, this is the solution. So let us justify this with one simple example. Okay, linear differential equation का एक simple example लेके आपको explain करने वाली हूँ. Okay, so what is it? dy by dx plus 2x upon x square plus 1 into y is equal to 1 upon x square plus 1 the whole square. ठीक है, so this is the given sum. How do we solve this, students? How the equation is looking like? The given equation is of the form dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q. dy by dx plus p into q is equal, sorry, dy by dx लिखना है, यहाँ पे dx by dy लिखा है, ये कट करेंगे हम और let us write it as dy upon dx plus p into y is equal to q. p and q क्या होता है? p and q are nothing but the functions of x, isn't it? So how do you write? What is your p, students? Here p is equal to 2x upon x square plus 1. What is your q? q is nothing but 1 upon x square plus 1 the whole square. Okay, Now what is the formula given for integrating factor? Integrating factor is nothing but e raised to integral p dx. Okay, this can be written as e raised to integral 2x upon x square plus 1 into dx, isn't it? So if you observe this, integral 2x upon x square plus 1 dx कैसे दिख रहा है? It is in the form of integral f dash of x upon f of x dx. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ f dash of x upon f of x dx का फॉर्मूला क्या है? Log f of x. We know this, isn't it? So e raised to integral 2x upon x square plus 1 dx का वैल्यू क्या होना चाहिए? e raised to log of x square plus 1. Okay? What is e raised to log of x square plus 1, students? It is nothing but x square plus 1. Okay? इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर का वैल्यू क्या आया है? x square plus 1 we got. Okay? After finding out the integrating factor, you need to find the solution. What is the formula given for the solution? Solution is given by, we know that the equation is linear in terms of y. Therefore, the formula will be y into integrating factor is equal to integral of integrating factor into q into dx plus c. Okay? So y into integrating factor का value क्या आया है? x square plus 1 is equal to integral of x square plus 1 into 1 upon x square plus 1 the whole square into dx plus c. q का function जो भी है वो substitute किया है यहाँ पे. Now how do we proceed? Integral of x square plus 1 into 1 upon x square plus 1 the whole square में x square plus 1 and x square plus 1 is getting cancelled. What is remaining? Integral of x square plus 1 dx plus c. What is integral of 1 by x square plus 1? It is nothing but tan inverse x plus c. What is there in LHS? It is y into x square plus 1. Therefore, what is the final answer? Required solution is y into x square plus 1 is equal to tan inverse x plus c. Okay? You can write it as is the required solution. Okay? So today we have seen the introduction part of linear differential equations. But examination point of view, you will be getting problems based on reducible to linear form. Okay? नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में रेड्यूसिबल टू लीनियर फॉर्म का प्रॉब्लम्स हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है? सो प्लीज़ वॉच प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स and do share and subscribe, students. Thank you so much.